Ayun Ringkias. In this video, I will present my main mapping about ethnography and ethnomethodology from Sociolinguistics course for my final test from my lecture, Mr. Tito. So, happy watching! Before that, I will explain something about ethnography and ethnomethodology. Each group has different linguistic behavioral norms. A certain group may not encourage talk for the sake of conversation. Members of such a group may appear very reserved yet talkative outsiders. In other groups, on the other hand, speech may be pushed in such a way that it appears disorganized to observers who have internalized a different set of rules for conducting talks. Next, in this session, I will discuss the topic of ethnography and ethnomethodology. The aim of this chapter is to look at the ways in which individuals cooperate with each other to sustain the realities of everyday life and how they use language as one of the means by which the sociolinguistic module of English literature can do this. Ethnography. Ethnography is a very detailed description of social life in a small number of cases. Ethnography is used primarily in cultural anthropology and is the preferred method used to study the human way of life due to its non-intrusive nature. The ethnography of Speaking Hymns 1974 has proposed an ethnographic framework that takes into account the various factors involved in speaking. Ethnography of communicative event is a description of all the factors that are relevant in understanding how a particular communicative event achieves its goals. Hymns use the word speaking as an acronym for the various factors. Number 1 is setting and scene. The symbol is S. Of speech are important refers to the time and place. Next, participants. The symbol is P. Combination of speaker, listener, addresser address, or sender receive. Next, ends. The symbol is E. Refers to the conventionally recognized and expected outcomes of an exchange, as well so to the personal goals and participants seek to accomplish on particular occasion. Next, act sequence. The symbol is A. Refers to the actual form and content of what is said. Next, key. The symbol is K. Refers to the tone, manner, or spirit. Next, instrumentalities. The symbol is I. Refers to the choice of channel. And next, norms of interaction and interpretation. The symbol is N. Refers to specific behaviors and traits inherent. And the last is genre. The symbol is G. Refers to clearly demarcated types of utterance. Next, we move to ethnomethodology. Ethnomethodology is a branch of sociology which, among other things, deals with the discussion that is seen as such. Can use simple linguistic examples to show that we cannot hope to understand other people if we don't share certain background assumptions with others. Sachs gives an examples of the following two sentence series to illustrate this point. The baby is crying. His mother took it. Sachs claims that in such case, there is what he calls a membership Categorization device which allows us to assign specific meanings to words such as baby and mother. In this case, it is necessary to enter the words into a set such as baby, mommy, daddy, not baby, child, adult. Consequently, we understand that the baby's mother is involved in the second sentence. And the last is conclusion. Ethnography is based on direct observation of the behavior of a group of people in their natural environment. In speaking ethnography, the focus is on the language spoken by the participants and the cultural practice that this language reflects. They very often deal with issues of identity and power. Sociolinguistic module in English literature ethnomethodology consider meaning and meaningful activities as something that people achieve when they interact socially. Since most human interactions are actually verbal interaction, they have focused much of their attention on how people use language in their relationships. So that's my presentation, hopefully useful. Sorry if there are still many mistakes, and thank you for watching and see ya!
You only love to hate me.